guys, good morning. So today is 26th and the time is 12 already. And today is my birthday. However, I don't know what will be the flow or theme of this video. So I will try to include some amazing, products which I regularly use in this winter season, and how I get ready for my birthday, how I, what are the stuffs I ordered online, the phone, I just open the camera and start vlogging. So everything is very unfiltered and candid out there. So let's start this vlog and see how it goes. So yeah, keep on watching this vlog. These are my lights जो अभी fuse उसका उड़ गया है. This is my vanity corner. This is as I have already mentioned, I haven't, I was not prepared for this video, so it's kind of mess over here, but this is also one of my most favorite corner. I love sitting here and getting dressed up and filming some videos, amazing contents for you guys. And here is some motivational quotes which I got from a brand called, this is the brand, guys. It's from Bubble Farm. Yes, it's from Bubble Farm. I received another parcel. तो देखते इसके अंदर क्या है. एंड आई थिंक ये कोई पीआर पैकेज है. इसको हम जल्दी से खोल लेते हैं. सो आप देख ही सकते हो, दिस वीडियो इज़ गोइंग टू बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. यहाँ पे मेरा पीछे टॉवल दिख रहा है. एनीवे, सो या कीप ऑन वॉचिंग दिस व्लॉग. Okay, so the new way of living. Oh god, this is amazing, guys. Some bare minimum lip balm. It's face cleanser, and then it's face toner. And what's that? It's face moisturizer. Okay, I'm gonna use this product at least for a week, and I'm gonna review this one. I can't wait to open this one. Let's see. Just look at the texture. This seems to be a buttery soft lip balm. ये है मैडम जी. मैडम जी यहाँ पे छुप के कुछ. मैडम जी निकलिए थोड़ा सा. Happy, say hi to everyone. Her name is Happy, and she's always happy, isn't it? This is the only thing I prefer in the morning, a glass full of orange juice, and it's high in vitamin C, and it adds a lot of glow to your skin. So, and it also boosts collagen production. Okay guys, so let me share one thing. So this is the only thing which I use after washing my face in the morning, and this is pure almond oil. Just apply few drops. You can also use hyaluronic acid in the morning, but I love this one, as almond oil has so good benefits in reducing your dark circles and premature aging. So I include this one in the morning, and these are also non-comedogenic, so this will not enter your pores and clog your areas. So yeah, after I am done with this one and I start jet rolling, के ऊपर बहुत सारा आइस पार्टिकल्स लगा हुआ है, तो इसको ऐसे रहने देंगे. एंड जस्ट इन अपर डायरेक्शन हम ऐसे करके फेस मसाज हो जाता है, एंड इट रियली हेल्प्स इन डीपफिंग द face when you woke up. It helps in give you that structure back to your face. And using this hand, we're gonna do like this, and like this. So just got out of shower, and I love this body oil from Plum. So I'm gonna mix few drops of this Plum body oil along with my Nivea moisturizing milk, and it's so effective for dry skin. It just lathers beautifully. Just taking few amount. अभी मेरे को बाहर निकलना है, तो I'm gonna use this vitamin C from Plum. Just put some amount of vitamin C. The moisturizer, I'm using this Ultra Shield डेली सनशील्ड एंड ये मैंने बबल फार्म से ऑर्डर किया था बिकॉज इसका रेटिंग काफ़ी अच्छा था एंड तो आई जस्ट नीड टू ट्राई एंड दिस इट्स अ नॉन कॉमेटोजेनिक सो इसका ये बेनिफिट है ना आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस इज सो मॉइस्चराइजिंग यू डोंट नीड अनदर लेयर ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर ए गुड अमाउंट ऑफ दिस मच बहुत ही अच्छा फिनिशिंग आता है इसका बेस्ट पार्ट है कि इसका वाइट कास्ट भी नहीं आता quite loving this sunscreen as it also adds shine and glow to my skin. Their products are 100% vegan, paraben free. Without these two, my skincare game is incomplete. So this is a lip balm from Juicy Chemistry, and this is how much I have used this product. So this is for pigmented lips. Guys, I'm using this from Neutrogena. It's from I bought this from Dubai. It's not available in India. I hope यार जल्दी से इंडिया में भी आ जाए. मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये वाला. डन. अभी मैं जल्दी जल्दी रेडी हो जाती हूँ. So I have decided to celebrate my birthday, especially the first half, by distributing some food packages to underprivileged people. And I can't express in words how satisfying is this part, and especially the smile in their faces, and I'm really grateful for that. अभी हम लोगों का खाना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑलमोस्ट हो चुका है, बस 2 या 3 पैकेट बाकी है, उसके बाद हम हो गया आज के लिए डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड ऑल. ये सब मेरे को हेल्प कर रहे हैं आज खाना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में, तो थैंक यू. वेलकम. सो अभी हम आ चुके हैं गोल्डी की मॉल पे. हम लोग का लंच अभी पेंडिंग है, तो हम सोचे कि यहाँ पे आराम से लंच वंच कर लेंगे, उसके बाद फिर जाएंगे क्योंकि अभी बहुत ज़ोर का भूख लग गया है हमको. तो चलिए, हमारे साथ बने हुए हैं अभी तक मिस्टर शुभदीप काम. अभी हम इस रेस्टोरेंट पे जा रहे हैं जो कि गोल्डी की मॉल में ही है, टॉप फ्लोर में. तो चलिए, इधर बहुत डेकोरेशन भी लगा हुआ है फॉर रिपब्लिक डे. बाबू मोशाई का ये है इंटीरियर. द प्लेस वॉज ऑलरेडी डेकोरेटेड बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी किसी का बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन हो चुका था एंड हमने जस्ट मौके का चौका उठाते हुए ये टेबल पे बुक कर लिया था. एंड इट वॉज लाइक माई प्री प्लान डेकोरेशन, बट नो, इट वॉज ऑलरेडी डेकोरेटेड दैट वे. एंड हमने ऑर्डर किया था चिकन थाली एंड एक मटन थाली. फॉर मी इट्स चिकन एंड इट वाज रियली डिलीशियस, स्पेशली द वेज आइटम्स एंड द वेज सब्जीज वर रियली टेस्टी. सो इफ यू आर फ्रॉम सिलचर you must have visited this place earlier, but if you are not, I recommend this place to each and everyone who is planning to visit here. The food quality and quantity wise, it was really great and delicious. आज तो बहुत थक गए भाई. वी जस्ट हैड लंच एंड केम होम राइट नाउ. सो अभी थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल सी यू इन अ व्हाइल. हे गाइस, सो आई जस्ट टुक अ नैप. Maybe the interesting is not good. Okay. Hi guys, so this is the time that I'm gonna go and get ready. I'm gonna show you closely. So cute pendant gift my sister gave me, and this is so pretty. I will tag the Instagram handle in my description so that you can go and check it out for yourself. This is another piece which I got. This is also great, like lavender in color. So yeah, thank you Gia for these gifts. And now let's start my makeup, guys. Makeup, before that I'm gonna go and wash my face. So I'm using this plum green tea cleanser for clearing all my dirts and pollution throughout my day. I'm just doing like this, and let's it doesn't dry out your skin in this winter, so I love this. So I just noticed that my eyebrows and upper lips are not clean enough for the makeup, so I'm just doing the extra brush up. primer by Eva Cosmetics, and it really beautifully, especially it minimizes the pores and sit on the skin for a very longer time. This is from Wet n Wild. For the foundation, I'm using this from Elf Cosmetics. Just one pump is enough. So I'm just combing my hair with this tool and gradually increase the temperature. It has two modes here. It's in upper temperature and it's you can put it down for the lower mode. I'm in a hurry, so I have put in upper high temperature mode and just एंड आप ऐसे अंदर से भी कर सकते हो. तो ये कुछ इस तरह है. फिनिशिंग बहुत ही अच्छा आता है. Voila, I'm done and let's get ready. This is the dress I got from Urbanic, and so I'll provide the link in the description. You can go and check this out. Yeah, this bag is from Meesho and it's so cute and also classy by the way. So I ordered some birthday crops from Amazon. One satin sash and another one is the princess crown. And बस मुझे ये बहुत प्यारा लगा and it will add a good value to your birthday outfit. गाइस अभी हम आ चुके हैं कच्चा क्लब में डिनर के लिए. तो चलिए अंदर जाके देखते हैं. एनीवे आई नीड टू पुट माई मास्क ऑन. और कुछ बोलना है जिया तुमको? विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. स्टे ब्लेस. थैंक यू. लेकिन मैं 1 साल की बुड्ढी भी हो चुकी हूँ और ज़्यादा. कोई बात. And this is how my birthday ends. So finally it's time to say goodbye to this place, and the day ends here and I thoroughly enjoyed the day. Thank you each and everyone who have wished me on my Instagram handle. And so now let me show you how my full dress looks like up close. You can carry this look in any of the occasions like cocktail parties or any birthday occasions, and this is perfect for night wear kind of dress. And the material is full sequin and it's not a see-through. I hope you like this birthday vlog. So if you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.